Greenheck, building value in air.
Today we're going to go over the factory wiring portion of our HS or Variable Geometry Nozzle system. For demonstration purposes, we've got a 2x1 system, and I'm going to have our multi-fan control box. We've really simplified the wiring on this. We're down to 2 boxes. You'll either get a single or the multi-box, which I'm going to show you right now. So our multi-box, we do have simple one-page wiring instructions right here in the door. So you can refer to those, and that's what I'm going to be going over right now. Each fan will have 3 10-meter 8-pin cables shipped inside the box. So for a 2x1 system, we'd have 6 cables in there. The cables are all male-female, so you can't get them confused in the field. And they also can be 3 cables, could be connected together. If you wanted to extend your length, male to female, you could just daisy chain them in the field. The control box is labeled for each fan, 1, 2, 3, and 4. If I'm only using a 2-fan system, I'm just going to hook up to fan 1 and fan 2 for this example. So now I'll take my male threaded connector, and I'm going to put that right into my quick connect at the bottom of the box. The boxes are shipped with a little protective cap. Just store those right inside the box. So when you're locating this, there's a small detent on, which will line your fitting up, and all you have to do is thread it hand tight. So now we're going to hook up the other end of our 8-pin connector to our factory mounted transducer box. This box again will be installed at the factory and pre-plumbed, so all you need to do is bring over your 8-pin connector. Very similar, we've got some protective caps. You can just throw these inside the box when you're done. We'll locate our female end and just thread that up. Our next step is going to be to open the transducer box, and you'll see our 5-pin cable located in there. Again, each fan assembly will have a transducer box mounted on it with a 5-pin cable in there. So we'll take our cable out. These are the same design as our previous with a male-female. Remove our cap, throw it in the box, and we'll thread this one up just the same. Now we're going to connect the other end of our 5-pin quick connect cable. This goes up to a quick connect on the nozzle. Attaches the same way. We'll just locate it, thread it on hand tight. Once that's in place, we're going to take the zip tie adhesive connectors that were shipped with it. I'm going to put a small loop in the cable for strain relief, attach one, and then go approximately every 12 inches down the body of the fan until I'm back down to the transducer box. Now we're going to finish up with our variable geometry nozzle wiring and show you some basic field wiring that's going to be required. I'm back at the control box. You are going to need to punch a hole in the control box, bring in your wires. First one I'll show you is the power connection. That's going to be located under this transformer cover. So we do have a multi-tap transformer in here. In this case, I've got it wired to the 120 volt. It'll also be available for 208, 240, and 460. Next, we're going to discuss the fan run wiring. This will be from the 24 volt on the terminal strip back through your VFD relay and then to the 1 fan run on the terminal strip. This will be a closed relay when the fan's operating. Each corresponding fan will have the same connections. The last wiring we'll talk about is our BMS connections, and this is basically going to be 3 connections. You're going to have your flow, which is through our Sure Air on the terminal strip and common. We're going to have our nozzle feedback, which will have a 1 and 2 connection on the terminal strip, and we'll have our alarm and our alarm common back to your building management system. We've conveniently located all the information required for the field wiring and startup right here on the installation guide. We also have a convenient QR code for your reference. You could scan this or go to greenheck.com for more information or a full-blown IOM.